Nestled on a quiet street in the heart of Brentwood, Tennessee is another Craftsman Residential masterpiece.
Welcome to 502 McClanahan Drive. This beautiful property has 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2 half baths, and just over 6,500 square feet of living space, and sits perfectly on just over an acre.
This home is a modern traditional style infused with elements of Southern charm.
Let's go inside and take a look.
As soon as you come through the front door, you're immediately greeted into the heart of the home.
Cohesively blended, you have your kitchen, living, and dining spaces perfectly designed for the modern family.
Here in the kitchen, you'll find custom inset cabinetry with that more traditional millwork detail. You also have luxury kitchen appliances from Wolf to Subzero fridge. And then here at the island, you're gonna find this beautifully veined quartz countertop, but then they paired that with the more Southern traditional farmhouse sink and Brizo faucet.
Truly no Southern luxury home is complete without a butler's pantry, and in this one they've left no stone unturned, from its detailed finishes to its functionality.
This dining room is outfitted with custom millwork from the walls to the ceiling, and it's color drenched in this gorgeous seafoam color, which really provides that intimate atmosphere, whether you are looking to have a special family gathering or host an intimate dinner party.
And to top it all off, this dining room offers this beautiful designer chandelier and floor-to-ceiling windows, giving you gorgeous views of the rolling hills.
Simplicity, luxury, and serenity. Those words perfectly describe this primary retreat, where you are going to find vaulted ceilings with painted beams, windows that overlook the backyard, and a statement chandelier. And then it seamlessly leads in to your spa-like bathroom.
Here in your primary bath, you've got heated marble floors, dual vanities, a standalone tub, walk-in shower, and the true luxury, his and her walk-in closets.
Rounding out the main floor, you have an oversized laundry space as well as an office and secondary bedroom with ensuite. Then upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms, all with ensuite baths, as well as a bonus space and flex space for whatever your family needs may be. This home offers technology and smart home automations that buyers today expect, from whole home audio to pre-wiring for a security system, smart shades, and even an EV charger. Now, right off the family room through sliding glass doors, you have this oversized screened-in porch.
Now, this space is complete with a gas fireplace, which overlooks the backyard and has ample room to put in a pool.
Now, this home is listed at $4.2 million, and it's listed by Ryan Long with Compass.
If you're interested in learning more about this home or looking to relocate to the Middle Tennessee area, all of our contact information is below.
My name is Caitlin Martin.
I'm Tiffany Hadley.
We'll see you next time.